Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Bushra Khan and I am from Mim Grammar School and College. Today I am going to teach you new chapter 4, and the topic of our lecture is microscopy and emergence of cell theory. Now first of all, what we have studied, what is actually a microscopy. The use of microscope is known as microscopy. The first microscope was developed by Jensen in Holland in 1595. It was simply a tube with lenses at both ends, and its magnification ranges from 3x to 9x. Then we have two terms related to microscopy. First one is magnification and the second one is resolution, or actually resolving power. Now what is magnification? It is actually an increase in the apparent size of an object, and it is an important factor in microscopy. And resolving power is the measure of clarity of an image, that how much an image is visible or clear. It is the minimum distance at which objects can be seen as separate objects. Then we have resolution of human eye. The human naked eye can differentiate between 2 points which are at least 0.1 millimeter apart. This is actually called resolution of human eye. Now we have types of microscopes. The first type is light microscope. First of all, we discuss its introduction and then we have its explanation. What is introduction? A light microscope works by passing visible light through a specimen. What is specimen? Specimen is the actually object which we have to see. And then we move towards explanation. In explanation, we have first thing, glass lenses. In light microscope, we use two types of glass lenses. One lens is for enlargement of image and second one is for magnification of an image. Glass lenses produces an enlarged image of the specimen, and the second one magnifies the image and projects into the viewer's eye or onto photographic film. Then we have magnification. Its magnification is 1500 times greater. Then we have micrograph. What is micrograph? Micrograph is actually a photograph taken through a microscope, is called micrograph. The fourth thing we have in light microscope is resolving power. Its resolving power is 0.2 micrometer, and 1 micrometer is equal to 1 by 1000 millimeter. In other words, we can say that light microscope can resolve distinguish objects smaller than 0.2 micrometer. Then we have electron microscope. First of all, introduction. It is the most advanced form of microscope. Then we come towards working of electron microscope. First of all, what is going on in EM? Object and lens are placed in a vacuum chamber. Object and lens are placed in a vacuum chamber, and a beam of electron is passed through object. Electrons are reflected or pass through from object and make an image. Passed or reflected and make an image. Electromagnetic lenses enlarge and focuses the image into a screen or a photographic film, and that's why we see image on photographic film. Then we have resolving power of EM, that is actually resolving power of electron microscope. The EM has much higher resolving power than electron than light microscope. The most modern EM can distinguish objects as small as 0.2 nanometer, and 1 nanometer is equal to 1 by this time millimeter. Then we have its magnification. EM can magnify objects about this times. We have capability of EM. EM can detect individual atoms, cells, organelles, and other molecules like DNA and proteins, which are much larger than single atoms. Then move towards types of EM. There are actually two types of EM. The first one is transmission electron microscope, and the second one is scanning electron microscope. It is also abbreviated as TEM, TEM, TEM. And scanning electron microscope is abbreviated as SEM, SEM. Now, what is happening in those types? In transmission electron microscope, electrons are transmitted through specimen, and we see that. In TEM is used to study the detail of internal cell structure. Then we have SEM, or scanning electron microscope. Electrons are reflected from the metal coated surfaces. SEM is used to study structure of cell surfaces. Students, this is our topic, microscopy and emergence of cell theory. We have discussed microscopy, magnification, resolving power, resolution of human eye. Then we have a light and electron microscope, light microscope, micrograph, its magnifications, resolution powers. Then we have electron microscope, its magnification power, resolution power, its type TEM and SEM, and the details of both types. Here picture of TEM is present. And picture of Sam is also present. Thank you.